Hi, I'm Joanna, and I want to talk to you about English paper piecing. Whenever you are English paper piecing, one of the things that you'll want to do is baste your fabric to your paper. How I baste my fabric is, this is just a striped fabric that I like to use. You put it wrong side up with your paper against it. And I want to make sure that I center my paper on the wrong side of the fabric so that I've got 3/8 of an inch all the way around. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to be, not too liberal with it, but get enough so that the fabric's going to stick. So I apply the glue to just one side that I'm going to fold over first. And then I'll do the next side. And fold that over. And you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you're kind of holding it down so it doesn't shift. Okay, and now I'll do this last side. And it can be a little bit difficult because of the sharp points of these papers that I'm using. Not all English paper piecing shapes have such an elongated point, but I like a little bit of a challenge. And so basting these is a little bit more time consuming, but it's rewarding in the end, I think. And that's it. Super easy.